all on my bone. I met another girl, her name was Ann. All she wanted was to freak with a man. When I met Ann, I shook her hand. We ended up freaking by a garbage can. And when she got freak, I bet was red. I took her to my house and she gave me head. She likes to fuck, it's all she said. So we jumped in the sheets and we broke my bed. There's another girl, her name is Mary. If you talk about sex, the bitch acts scary. I heard she was freaking from my homeboy Jerry. Took her to my house and I popped that cherry. Young and tender, sweet Denise. You get her in the bed and the girl's a beast. I tell your homeboy if you get a piece, she'll only start talking about signing the lease. I met this tender, her name was Lori. An X-rated movie wouldn't tell her story. She had a twin sister, her name was Lisa. And just like Lori, she's a real dick pleaser. My girlfriend's name was Michelle. Her booty was bigger than the Tillamook well. Now when I fucked Michelle, I fucked her well. Her pussy got hotter than the flames in hell. I cheated this girl, her name is Tammy. I didn't want to fuck her cause the bitch was flammy. She had a best friend, her name was Jane. I pulled the bitch to the side and started spitting that game. I met a lot of bitches in my lifespan. I fucked one night with a bitch named Pam. The very next day I saw her with her man. 1 week passed and I fucked her again. Bake and shake us. I met this freak in. She said her name was Don. Now she was a built little freak from China. Now I said I don't care or gigolo. I'm having so much money I don't need a hoe. You can break yourself, but you can't break me. That's cause you never had a pimp like Short Baby. I knew this dick sucker named Betty Joe. I took her to my house and I fucked her on the floor. The girl got freaky and I'll tell you more. She was down on her knees, begging to blow. She's like this other freak named Renee. If you get her all alone, she'll make your day. Like Burger King, she knows the play. It's with a freak like Renee, you can have it your way. These are the tales, the freaky tales. These are the tales that I tell so well. These are the tales, the freaky tales. These are the tales that I tell so well. Yes! Yeah, it's true.